I'm Nate. I am in marketing at Sashco. I basically have two roles. So one is new product development, trying to launch new products and improve on the products that we already have. And then the other one is engaging with our pro users. And that kind of fuels the first one because I get feedback, right, about what products people want or tweaks that they'd like to have. That helps us launch new products that people actually like. So in Zero Failures, I do two things. First, I give the building tour, which is actually more fun than you might think because I get to talk about a lot of the culture and kind of the traditions that we have at Sashco. I think when you are here and you get to see it, you have a greater appreciation for what makes a durable caulking. And then I also teach sealant technology. Basically is designed to equip folks to say, I have a project, I know what the best product is for that project. Probably the learning that I get. One person has an idea of something that bugs them, and then 4 other people latch onto that and say, oh yeah, I have this same problem, and I've solved it this way, right? But you can glean some really powerful things from that feedback and kind of networking session. When people leave Zero Failures, I hope that they feel like they're part of the Sashco story.